The Department of Justice is closer to making a decision on whether to pursue the death penalty for the racist who killed 10 black people inside the East Side Tops.
The DOJ and attorneys for Payton Gendron met this week to discuss it, but as far as we know this evening, no final decisions have been made. Our Tara Lynch heard from one of the victims' families tonight. Tara?
David Kelsey, Zanetta Everhart's son, Zaire Goodman, is still recovering from the injuries he sustained from the May 14th attack. Everhart says a federal trial of this magnitude would be historic for both Buffalo and the entire country. While she doesn't support the death penalty overall, she says if the DOJ pursues it, she will support it.
I know that a trial will be a teachable moment for America.
It's still unclear if the feds will seek the death penalty against the racist gunman who killed 10 black shoppers and injured 3 employees at the Tops on Jefferson Avenue on May 14, 2022. No details have been released about the meeting held between the DOJ and Gendron's attorneys on Monday in Washington, D.C.
Those individuals who are representing Gendron get to go down there and get to make their case. They get to say why they think the death penalty should not be imposed. In addition, the families that I speak for, they get to have a say as well.
They made it very clear that our input would weigh, the decision.
The gunman's defense team said he will plead guilty if the death penalty is off the table. But if the ultimate punishment is pursued, there will be a trial. Zanetta Everhart, the mother of Zaire Goodman, who was injured during the attack, says she does not support the death penalty in principle, but she is hopeful this goes to trial. If a trial takes place, all evidence would be presented, which would include the live stream of the attack. Zanetta thinks this will make the nation uncomfortable and could drive change.
I don't want to watch it, but I know at a trial I will have to. And I'm willing to suck that up because the country should see what that terrorist did to my community and to my people and to my child. This is going to go down in history books. People are going to have to read about what happened on 5/14/2022, and they're going to have to know everything that happened.
This is a strong group of individuals who want to see changes and want to see something accomplished. Something, if positive in any way can come out of this, they want to have that information out there in the public.
The timeline for this trial remains unclear, and attorney Terry Connor says he expects a decision from the feds within the next month. In the meantime, he says progress is being made in the several civil cases filed on behalf of the victims' families. For now in studio, Tara Lynch, News 4.